Hello and welcome to the new style GCSEs, the ones that go from grades 9 through 1. This is Edexcel paper 1MA1/2F. It is a calculator paper. It's the second paper in the foundation tier and we're picking up in question 28. Triangles ABD, so that's ABD, and BCD, so that's BCD, are right angled triangles. And there's a right angle there to show that. Work out the value of x. Okay, where's x is here. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, we don't have enough information on triangle BCD, so what we've got to do is solve for this length here, and then we can solve for x. So we're given this length and we're given this length, so the first thing that jumps to mind is Pythagoras' theorem. So that basically says the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, so that's this side squared plus this side squared is equal to this side squared. So 10 squared is equal to 5 squared plus, I'm going to label this side, I'm going to give it a label A, and I'm going to say plus A squared, and then I'm going to solve for A. So A squared is equal to 10 squared minus 5 squared, so A squared is equal to 100 minus 75. Sorry, 25. I'm skipping ahead in my brain here. So A squared is equal to 75. I was trying to do the calculator 100 minus 25 in my head while I was writing 100 minus 25, and I'd already got the solution. Okay, so A is equal to the square root of 75. I'm not going to calculate the square root of 75 because I'm going to have to square it again here, because I've got to do this side squared, or A squared, plus 4 squared is going to equal to x squared. So x squared is equal to the square root of 75 squared plus 4 squared. So now you see why there was no point in square rooting the 75, because it's already squared, so that's just equal to 75 plus, and 4 squared is 16, so x squared is equal to 91. 7 plus 1 is 8, 5 plus 6 is 11, 80 plus 11 is 91. So x is equal to, the exact answer is the square root of 91. They're going to want us to give that as a decimal, I'm sure. So x is equal to, and for that I am going to need a calculator. I know it's going to be above 9 and below 10, because 9 squared is 81 and 10 squared is 100, so it's got to be between 9 and 10. So that way I'll know if I press the right buttons on my calculator. And the answer is 9.539. And we want this to, how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So that's 9.5. There's a 9 after the 3, so the 3 is going to round up to a 4. So it's 9.54. I hope that was helpful. Oh, and I should put the centimetres in, shouldn't I? I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.